the weak point for Oklahoma State has been its offensive line. And they are, look, I think it's easy to watch the Arkansas game and say, hey, just line up and run at these cats. They don't have an offensive line like Arkansas. They don't have big, giant running backs really like Jonathan Williams and Alex Collins either, though they do have the great speed from Hill and the consistency from Rowland. Good punt, drives Batson back close to his 20. Now Batson gets a block, and he's got room. And Batson still on his feet. There's a flag down as Batson, the kid from Oklahoma City, has a tremendous run. There's a lot of celebrating going on, but there's a flag sitting at the 37-yard line. There's a couple of flags down, actually, on the play, so likely second return of the night. Sizable one coming back for Texas Tech. Mike DeFee over explaining the call to Kingsbury. There's a block in the back.
A lot of bodies flying around. Look at that sideline, too, for Texas Tech. They're excited.
That was a personal foul. Here's a late hit. Out of bounds. Got to stop there. Can't lower that head either. Flag comes out.